Hi, today we're going to be comparing the surface of an orange to the surface of a tangerine. And as always, we begin by preparing our slide. Now we have to make sure our samples are really thin, otherwise light can't pass through them and we won't be able to see anything. So we're going to cut these peelings really thin. And once it's ready, we'll take it to the microscope. We are now under the microscope, and this is our orange peel. So let me just focus in and let's see what we can find. Now if you look closely at the surface of an orange, then even with our eyes we can see these little craters or indents all over the orange. And that's what we're seeing here, these big white circles or these see-through circles. Those are the indents that you see on your orange. Now the dark orange circles, I'm not certain, but they may be involved in creating the pigment or the orange color that makes our oranges orange. We are now at the end of the orange, so we're going to move over to the tangerine and take a look at the surface of that. We are now looking at our tangerine. Let's look at the surface and see how it compares to the orange. Again, we see the clear or white indent circles as well as the dark orange circles. Overall, it looks very similar to the orange. It looks like I found a little hair on this tangerine, and this hair I cannot see with my eyes. I'm trying to find it on the slide, but I do not see it. But there's hair. It's crazy what we end up eating without even noticing. Now that we've taken a look at both the orange and the tangerine surface, and they look very similar, I'm going to go to a deeper or a greater magnification and see if the surface looks any different. We are now at a greater magnification, and this is that hair that we saw before we went, or we magnified it. I'm now going to move from the tangerine surface to the orange surface on the greater magnification. That's it for today's video, so please remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment about what you would like to see under the microscope. And I'll hopefully see you next time.